Hello, welcome designers. Today is the day 3 of 30 days 30 UI animations. Let's make a bouncy toggle effect in Figma today. First, add a rectangle, give it a fill shape, and the width and height should be 180 by 80. Then make a circle and make it 65 by 65. Color it white. Color the fill with gray color and put both of them in a frame. Now in the circle, first add drop shadow with the given values, then add inner shadow with the given values.
I got facts over tracks, isn't that spitting
now
slow,
pick
fast
the
like a
rectangle
roast, I could
and
gas,
add
think I'm
inner
okay
shadow
at
in
last,
that
but I
too.
don't know if that
And
can
be
erase
mindful
all
of
the past and the
given
pettiness.
values.
A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time,
Now
you're
select the
delirious,
frame and
mysterious,
duplicate
because you hide
it.
behind a fake exterior,
Change
inferior.
the
You know I'll always
frame
be a bit
alignment
superior.
to right
Get off
and
of
then
me, this
add
ain't
the
no
color of
humble
your
brag.
choice.
I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I
Now
want you
duplicate
to
both
feel
the
free from the
frames
chains that
2
last
times
into
and
believing
then
what you
add
got,
color
it
of
was
your
built
choice.
to
For me
last,
it's red and orange.
Now that I've been put through hell,
Now
I never
put
got anyone's
both
help.
frames
I had to do
in a
it all
component set
myself.
and do it for another frames too.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no
Now
love
add
for the
prototyping
fakeness. If
settings
you wanna play
with given
tough and wanna
values
hate
to
this,
each
I'll
frame
always show
within a
up and
component.
make a statement. I don't ever slow up,
And done.
no I don't take shit, I got
You're
no
good to go.
love for the fakeness.